Went to Walgreens, y'all. I look a mess. It's hot. I don't care. But I'm about to show y'all exactly what I did. I did something called rolling register rewards, which are these, and I also rolled a Walgreens cash. Started out with $17 in Walgreens cash. That's basically Walgreens money. And then I also had two of these that totaled $9. Did multiple transactions, so I'm about to tell y'all in order what I did. 7 transactions. Y'all, I had to relocate. Now, I might speed through this real fast. If you have any questions, let me know down below. But first transaction, I bought 3 of these Crest Scope toothpastes. They are $3.50 each. When you buy 3, you get a $5 Catalina. Your total should be $10.50. There is a $5 off 3 coupon, bringing your total down to $5.50. I told y'all that I was rolling Walgreens cash, so I did that. I rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, leaving my total 50 cents, and then I also did gift the $5 back for buying 3. Bit more toothpaste. So these are $4 a piece. You can do the $5 one, but I chose $4. So buy 2. And when you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. So my total for both of these is $8. There is a $3 off 2 coupon on the app, bringing my total down to $5. Rolling another $5 in Walgreens cash. Remember, I had $17 to begin with. So we used $5 for the first transaction, and then we're using $5 for the second transaction. And this was completely free. Literally, no cents, no tax, no nothing, baby. And I got $4 back. So far from 2 transactions, I have 2 Catalinas totaling what, $9. So I'm gonna hold that to the side, right? And I also still have Walgreens cash. I have what, $7 in Walgreens cash left. So I'm gonna use that to collect the Catalinas to use on what we call a spin deal. Next transaction, we got some dish detergent. These are $2.99 a piece, so $5.98 for both. There's a 75-cent off 1 coupon, bringing your total down to $5.23, plus tax, bringing it up to $5.65. Again, I rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, bringing that down to 65 cents. So I paid that for 2 of these, and I got back $3. Next transaction, I'm using the remainder of my Walgreens cash, which is $2. Remember, we used $5 for 3 transactions. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 for this transaction. So I bought 2 packs of cough drops. These are $2.49. The prices vary for the flavors because some are $2.99. My mom said the blue bag does not work, so do not get the blue bag. I got strawberry. I got the honey one as well. But $2.49, buy one, get one 50% off. Total for both of these was $3.73. I used the $2 in Walgreens cash. I paid $1.73 and I got $5 back. So you have to pay attention to this because this is how you're going to get your spin deals, like spend $25 or something like that. So remember, I had $9 to begin with in the paper coupons, not the Walgreens cash with the $17. The $9 in paper coupons. I had that already when I went in the store. After doing all of those transactions, I was able to earn $17, right? So I added those together. So 17 plus 9, I had $26 to use on my next transaction. On my app, I had a coupon where you will earn $7 in Walgreens cash, Walgreens money, not the paper, Walgreens money. You'll earn $7 in that if you spend $25. I got $26 in paper coupons, y'all. I had $26 in paper coupons and I got to spend $25 just to get $7 back. But I feel like this is one of my best deals ever. Let me go get the stuff that I got. We got Gain, y'all. Gain. And I really don't even like their detergent. I just wanted the fabric softener and the beads and stuff. But when you buy 4, you get a $4 Catalina. All right, so all of the Gain products that I'm about to show you are $4.99 each, and each product had $1 off coupon on the app. So $3.99 for each thing. So we got some flings, the scent beads, some liquid detergent, and some fabric softener. This total came up to $19.96 without any coupons, okay? Remember, I have to spend at least $25. So then I really wanted some razors. There were so many other deals that I could have added to this to make it $25. I could have just got some regular sandwich bags that I needed because they are buy one, get 2 free. I could have did toothpaste again. I could have did Dove shampoo and conditioner. There's so many deals that you could do. I decided to go ahead and do razors. They are buy one, get one 50% off. When you spend, I think $15, you'll get a $5 register reward. Let me double check. Yeah, you get a $5 Catalina when you spend $15 on Venus and Gillette disposable razors. And they are buy one, get one 50% off. So these were 11.49, the men's. And then these were 7.99. So of course they're going to take the 50% from the cheaper item. So I think my total for this was like $15.98. So you add that to the game products. So my total is $35, okay, and some change. But both of these have a $3 off one coupon, so that's minus $6, and then minus $4 from the game products. Each of them have a dollar off coupon. That leaves my total to $25 and some change without tax. And remember, we have $26 in Catalinas. So with the tax, let me get my receipt. Basically, I had $36 worth of coupons coming off of an order with a $35 total. Okay. But of course, tax. So it bordered over the $36, if that makes sense. Long story short, I paid $1.08 for all of that. And of course, I'm going to insert a picture of my receipt. $1.08 for 4 game products and 2 packs of razors. And let's not forget, I did get the $7 back because I did spend $25. I got $4 back for buying 4 of the laundry detergent products. And then I also did get $5 for buying the razors, but I had to call them because my little Catalina didn't print out. But I called them, they gave me $5 in Walgreens cash. So y'all, I think I did really, really good. But I did 2 more transactions after that. I did the cough drops again. I got a $5 Catalina for this, but this time I had a different account, y'all, and I had more money on that account. So I only paid 73 cents for both of these for this transaction because it was $3.73, right? So I added $3 for my Walgreens cash, paid the 73 cents, got $5 back. And with that $5, I added that $5 to another transaction. Total. Last transaction of the night, we got Charmin Essentials Tissue and Bounty Essentials Paper Towel. These were both $4.99 a piece. They have a dollar off coupon for each of these on the app. When you buy two, you get a $3 register reward. So I bought two. With the coupons, the total came down to like $7.98. Plus tax, it was $8.10. I used my $5 register reward that I just got from the cough drops, and I used $3 in Walgreens cash. Mind you, this is on a different account. That's why I have more Walgreens cash. But $3, and I paid 10 cents. 10 cents and got my $3 little coupon. I'm so satisfied right now. So satisfied, y'all. That's how I mainly coupon at Walgreens, rolling those register rewards and just using my Walgreens cash to get more register rewards. So I would have a low out of pocket on those spend deals to get more Walgreens cash. If that makes sense. The reason why I do it that way because with the spend deals you can't use the Walgreens cash, so it's best to use the Walgreens cash on deals where you could get those Catalinas to spend on your spend deals because you can't use the Walgreens cash. If y'all got questions, ask me down below.